Samsung Galaxy A21s. The Samsung Galaxy A21s are available in the different version in the different region. The technology are available in the smartphone GSM, HSPA, LTE. The body of this smartphone dimension 163.7 by 75.3 by 8.5 mm. The weight of this smartphone 192 grams. The SIM of this smartphone single SIM or hybrid dual SIM. Now we are talking about the display of this smartphone TFT. The display size of this smartphone is 6.5 inch. The resolution of the display is 720 by 1600 pixels. The platform of this smartphone operating system Android 10 One UI 2.0. The chipset of this smartphone Exynos 850. Now we are talking about the CPU of this smartphone as Octa-core and the GPU of this smartphone Mali G52. Now we are talking about the memory of this smartphone card slot MicroSD dedicated slot. The internal memory of this smartphone 32GB and 2GB RAM, 32GB and 3GB RAM, 64GB and 4GB RAM, 64GB and 6GB RAM. eMMC 5.1. The camera of this smartphone are available two cameras, main camera and selfie camera. The main camera are also available and a quad camera. 48 megapixel wide camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth. The feature of the main camera LED flat panorama ADR. The selfie camera of this smartphone offers single camera, 13 megapixel wide camera. The sound of this smartphone loudspeaker is available and the 3.5 mm jack is also available in this smartphone. Now we are talking about the connectivity of this smartphone. Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.0 A2DP-LE, GPS with the 8 GPS GLONASS BDS. NFC is available only Markinde and region dependent. The FM radio is unspecified in this smartphone. The USB of this smartphone USB Type-C 2.0. The sensor of this smartphone fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass. Now we are talking about the battery of this smartphone 5000 mAh battery non-removable. Fast charging 15W. There are different colors are available in this smartphone and different modules are also available in this smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone, so please check the description. On any question about smartphone, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.